So here we are on today's ride. It's quite warm today again. On the old corner, we've just come down here and we're going up there. Bring you back in a minute.
Change my name to promise you, yeah. Dying inside cause I want you, yeah. Didn't I say I wanted to, yeah. Honey, I've changed before you, yeah. 28 years I coming to end. The rain chased me down the gully again. Now I'm higher than anyone here, and that ain't nothing on me, yeah. Baby, I swear it, I wanted to call, but on my way around I happened too far. She's a MUA, I can't icky hall. In a vanity mirror, we're losing it all. Where we shacked up swift and down on the way, catch the sweet rain inside a beret. In it I reflected all of the day, and I will fade in the night, yeah. Will you apologize for the remainder of your life? Do you accept the charges? I promise you, yeah. Well then she curls up with his favorite son. He's the ugliest man in heaven for one. As long as there's nobody feeling me there, then there ain't nothing on me, yeah, yeah. They threw me out like I was a wedding bouquet. No, I can't quite remember what I had to say, till I get higher than everyone here, and I will fade in the night, yeah.
Here we are on today's ride. We're going to the airfield, a model airfield club, which is on that ridge over there somewhere. Bring you back in a minute.
But I will fade in the night, yeah. In the shameless corner, I promise to be gone. I almost felt the feeling that I wanted to, yeah. You thought I was here, but I'm farther than the sun. Silent as the feeling that I promised you, yeah. Well, I changed my name to promise you, yeah. It's easier than making apologies, yeah. Now I'm higher than anyone, yeah. There ain't nothing on me, yeah.
Some kind of castle.
pain and no more shame and misery. You can't take me down. You can't break me down. You can't take me down. You can't take me down. You can't break me down. You can't take me down.
So we've got a plane on top of a container with no wings.
Love and hate. How much more are we supposed to tolerate? Can't you see there's more to me than my mistake? Sometimes I get this feeling makes me hesitate. I believe she won't take me somewhere I'm not supposed to be. You can't steal the things that God has given me. No more pain and no more shame and misery. You can't take me down. You can't break me down. You can't take me down. You can't break me down. You can't take me down. You can't break me down.